Guys, I'm going to show you guys today how to replace your battery for your Lenovo ideapad 300, because these batteries are not easy to be removed. They're not accessible from outside. So the battery is right here at the back on the bottom cover, but you cannot slide it down or anything like that. So let's get started. First thing first, you want to remove all the screws at the bottom side. There are about 6 maybe. Once you remove all the screws at the bottom side, you want to grab the front cover, slide it forward toward front of the laptop, and then just lift it up and remove it. Once you remove this one, then you're gonna start removing a whole bunch of screws right here. You want to remove all the screws on the plastic cover, including the 4 on the caddy for the hard drive. Alright, now that we remove all the screws from the bottom side, slide the hard drive towards the speakers right there and lift it up. Next, you want to unhook the wireless cables right there. Just in case, just unhook them. Now, just double check, make sure you haven't forgot any screws. Open the laptop. Grab yourself a guitar pick or anything like a guitar pick, thin and durable. You want to stick it right between the keyboard and the plastic right here, and you're gonna just twist it, bend it over, and the keyboard is just gonna go ahead and come out. And once you got that, just don't yank the cable out, just move it upward a little bit, and you gotta unhook the keyboard just right from here. You have to lift up this plastic right there in 90 degree, and the keyboard will just come out. That's your keyboard. Now you're gonna remove the mouse pad by lifting up this black cover right there. Also, you want to remove the on off switch button right there. Just lift up and remove the ribbon cables. And now in here you have to remove 2 screws. One is right under the white warranty sticker. Remove that. And the second one, it's right here. And they are actually mentioned, it says fan M2x6, and this is for the CD-ROM M2x6. Remove those. Once you remove those, you want to grab again your guitar pick. I use a guitar pick, you can use anything else. Stick it in between the gray and the bottom plastic and just go ahead and wiggle it around until you lift up the top cover. It should come out. Just go around it. Just go in this motion. There you go. Once you remove that, and the top cover is gonna come out. Now, let me put this back in. The battery is right there. You have to remove these 2 screws, but before removing those, lift up this tape right here where the battery is connected. So lift up the tape, unhook the cable jack from the board. Now you can go ahead and unscrew the battery. Once you unscrew these 2 screws, the battery will come out. Just close the lid, and the battery from the bottom side, flip it over, it will come out eventually. You have to be, it's just the cables won't let it slide. You have to open the screen a bit. Okay, let's put it down. Open the screen. Okay, let's see if we can remove it from up here. Slide it outward towards the screen and rotate it a little bit. Loosen the cables from here. Also, if you want to do it easier, you can just go ahead and remove the hinges and it will come out really easy, but if you cannot, like this, you have to rotate it 360 degrees and it will come out. And if you don't want to do it this way, you can just go ahead and remove these 2 screws on the hinges on this side and remove the screen a little bit and it will come out. But if you don't want to touch the screen, just rotate it in a 360 degrees, it will come out. And to put it back in, same thing. Put the cable first, pass the cable to the crack right there. Once you got that in, rotate and put the battery back down. And that's how you replace your battery. Plug in the connectors, go ahead and put the screws back in. Now once you got those screws back in, grab the top cover, put the top cover down, the hinge side down first. Right there. Now make sure it goes in and there's nothing on the way. I feel like there's something in there, so double check, make sure there's nothing sticking out. The cable is okay and everything is fine. There we go. Once you got in, just push down the sides, don't push in the middle. There is no need. Put the 2 screws on the top, one right by the fan and one right for the CD-ROM. Connect the cables for the on-off switch, the touchpad, grab the keyboard, put it right in this position, open the lock. Let me zoom in. If the lock is in this position, just lift up in 90 degrees, slide the flex underneath and close the lock for it. And the keyboard bottom side goes down first and then push the sides all around it. Make sure you hear those click sounds. Once you got that in, close the screen, flip it over. Now, grab your hard drive, put the hard drive in, slide it in and put the screws for the bottom cover. Alright, now you're gonna put the 5 screws at the top. The thick ones goes on the hinges. And once you got this, and just the last thing is the cover. Just put the cover down and slide it back inward. And this is how you replace your battery for your Lenovo 300 ideapad. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, and it helps me, motivates me to make more videos in the future and answer any questions you guys have. Thanks for watching, guys.